Hi everyone. It's that time of the year again. Lunar New Year. Once a day of great joy and happiness, and now just a dreary day full of misery and regret. Why am I such a buzzkill on such a joyous occasion? Because I got married and now I have to give out money. Seriously, what is up with that? I mean, considering how much the older relatives bug us to get married, you don't think they'll give us some kind of incentive to get married? Not some kind of cruel punishment? Like, I have to start giving out money now? Why do I have so many single friends and married friends as kids? Oh, why must I be so popular? If any of my friends are watching this, your kid is just adorable. Clearly, I'm only talking about the people with non-adorable kids, not you. Clearly not you, because, you know your kid is the adorablest. Anyway, since it's no longer believable that I'll be traveling to Syria, because, my cousin's getting married in America, and if I have Syria in my passport, I'm pretty sure I won't be able to get into America for the next decade or so. So, last year I posted a look on how to suck up to grandma. This year, I'm teaching you how to create this look to scare all the kids away and minimize the amount of home files you have to give. I'm keeping this look monochrome because black and white are bad luck colors during Chinese New Year because they're associated with funerals, therefore death, therefore bad luck. Though, I don't see what's so bad about death after spending a few days with my relatives. Anyway, this look also features a lot of sharp edges, which is also bad luck during Chinese New Year. Basically, you're going to be a walking bad luck machine. So I'll show you how to get this look, and let's get on to the tutorial. First, I'm going to use a glue stick to block out some of my eyebrows. I'm just blocking out the outer part because I want my eyebrows to look super sharp. I have Snazaroo's white paint, and I'm going to smother myself with it. Get this white paint all over your face, and don't forget your neck, because we want to look deathly pale right now. If you look like a corpse, you're doing it right. Come to think about it, I'm not sure whether I'll get compliments on my pale skin instead. This may actually backfire. I feel like if I ever want to murder somebody, this is the time. I'll do my hands later. First, I'm going to set this with powder, and I'm going to make sure it's a white powder. I'm going to have to do such a huge cleanup. Everything's so messy. I don't know how special effects artists do it because you get so messy. So just be liberal with the powder. Dust it everywhere. You should be looking like you're drowning in powder. Basically, if you're looking like you just had a cocaine shower, you're doing it right. As a bonus, maybe you should leave all these white powder lying around at a table in lines. That should keep the kids away. The point of setting it with powder is so that you can blend stuff over it later, and also to prevent it from going all streaky, because that will be scary but in a different way that we don't want. Now for brows. I'm actually going to use a black gel liner for this because I want it to be really dark. Remember, we're going to keep this look black and white. I'm going to do my eyes. First, I'm going to line the bottom part with black, and I'm going to smoke it out with a black eyeshadow. Around the edge, I'm going to pull it into a wing. This look will have a lot of sharp edges, guaranteed to be bad luck for Chinese New Year. Now I'm going to use Kat Von D's tattoo liner to create a sharp wing. Now I lined with my eyes open, so when I close, there's going to be a gap. I'm going to fill up the gap with the black. The Snazaroo paint smells horrible, by the way. Very chemically. And I'm not even going to bother with false lashes because I want to look like an alien eyelashless being. Now I'm going to contour my face because even though I want to look scary, I still want to look pretty doing it. Actually, not pretty. Let's call it editorial. In case this really messes up, then, I can just say it's not ugly, it's artistic. So again, I'm going to use the NYX Perfect Filter palette, and we've got this gray here, and that's going to be my contour shade. Let's give me some cheekbones. I don't want to look like a marshmallow. Final touch, the black lipstick. I'm using Makeup Forever's Artist Rouge Cream in C604. And I'm keeping this pointy too because, you know, I want my look to be as pointed as possible. This lipstick, by the way, tastes horrible. It's a beautiful smooth black, but I don't think I'll ever use it again because it's horrible. It tastes so gross. And I'm adding more sharp edges. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching the entire tutorial. So sorry about the light thing. Yeah, turns out this thing took longer than I expected, so it's darked out now. So, oops, sorry. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my less serious makeup tutorials. If you want to see the others I've created, I'll link them below. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. See you. Bye.